Hello everyone, welcome back to Brain Equations. To solve the question x plus y is equal to 6 and product xy is equal to 36, we need to calculate the value of x and y. We will give names to these equation 1 and equation 2. So we will write equation 1 in term of y from equation 1. From equation 1, we will write this equation in term of y. X plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to, we will bring x from left hand side to right hand side and it will become y is equal to 6 minus x. We will give it name 3, equation 3. So now we will plug in the value of y in equation 2. X parenthesis 6 minus x is equal to 36. So now multiply x with the 6 minus x and we will get 6x minus x times x give x square is equal to 36. Now we will arrange it minus x square plus 6x is equal to 36. Now move 36 to left hand side, minus x square plus 6x minus 36 is equal to 0. Now we want to cancel this negative sign. To cancel this negative sign, we will multiply both sides by minus 1. So we will get x square minus and plus will give minus 6x and minus plus will give minus minus will give positive 36 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. So here we will use quadratic formula. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 36. So our quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So we will plug in the values of a, b and c. So b here is minus 6 minus 6 plus or minus square root. For b square we will write minus 6 square minus 4. A is 1 times 36 because c is 36 over 2 times 1. A is 1 x. So x is equal to minus and minus will give positive 6 plus or minus. Here we will write minus 6 square is equal to 36 minus 4 times 1 times 36 will give 144 over 2a, 2, only 2. 2 times 1 give 2. So in the next step, x is equal to x is equal to 6 plus or minus 36 minus 144 will give square root minus 108 over 2. So here we have minus sign. So we are going to have complex solutions. So first of all, we will write 108 in term of product. So divide 108 by 2, we will get 54. Then again divide 54 by 2, we will get 27. Then divide 27 by 3, we will get 9. And then we will divide 9 by 3 will give us 3 and then 3 gives us 1. So we have 2 square, 3 square and 3. So now in the next step, x is equal to 6 plus or minus. We will write minus 1. We will separate minus 1 times 2 square, 3 square times 3. over 2. So here in the next step, x is equal to 6 plus or minus. We will write each term in the separate square root. Square root minus 1 times square root 2 square times square root 3 square times square root 3 over 2. So in the next step, x is equal to 6 plus or minus, this minus 1 is I, 2 will cancel out with square and we will get 2 times 3 will cancel, 3 square will cancel out, the square will cancel out with the square root and we will get 3 and times square root 3 over 2. X is equal to 6 plus or minus, we will multiply 2 times 3 is 6 square root 3 times I over 2. So now in the next step, x is equal to, we will divide 6 by 2 and 6 square root 3 by 2. 6 over 2 plus or minus 6 square root 3 I over 2. So we will get 3 plus or minus 3 square root 3 I. So we have two values of x. x1 3 plus square root 3 in times square root 3i, and x2 is 3 minus 3 times square root 3 times I. So we will use our equation to find out the value of y. We will use our previous equation, that is 3 equation, y is equal to 6 minus x. So y1 is equal to 6 minus x1. Here x is x1, so we will write y1. 6 minus x1 is 3 plus 3 times square root 3 times I is equal to 6 minus, open the parenthesis, 3 minus 3 times 3 square root I. So here 6 minus 3 will give 3 minus 3 times square root 3 I. So for y2 we will write 6 minus x2. So 6 minus, we will plug in the value of x2, 3 minus 3 times square root 3 times I. So is y2 is equal to 6 minus 3 minus and minus plus 3 times square root 3 times I. So y2 is equal to 6 minus 3 will give 3 plus 3 times 3 square root I times I. So we have two values now. So the solution set, x1 y1 is equal to, x1 is 3 plus 3 times square root 3 times I, and y1 is 3 minus 3 times square root 3 times I. x2 y2 is, x2 is 3 minus 3 times square root 3 times I, and y2 is 3 plus 3 square root 3 times I. So we have two solution sets, the complex values. This is a complex solution set. Now we will verify. Let's verify. We will use our previous equation, the given equation, and we will plug in the values of x1 and y1, and we will check. X plus y is equal to 6. So plug in the value x and y. So we will use first solution set. Let's left hand side is equal to x plus y. So x is 3 plus 3 times square root 3 times I, plus y is 3 minus 3 times square root 3 times I. Here 3 times square root 3i will cancel out with the minus 3 times square root 3i, and we will left with 6, which is equal to right hand side. So we will use other equation, the product xy is equal to 36. The second equation, equation number 2, xy is equal to 36. So we will plug in the value of xy. We will write left hand side, we will take left hand side and we will plug in the value. Left hand side is equal to x times y. So plug in the value 3, x is 3 plus 3 square root 3 times I, bracket 3 minus 3 square root 3 times I. So recall the formula, the very basic formula that we have a square minus b square. We can write a plus b times a minus b. So we are going to use this formula here. So we have the same expression, 3 square minus 3 times square root 3 times I whole square. So 3 square will give 9 minus 3 square will give 9 times square root will cancel out with 2, we'll get 3 and then I square. So here I square is equal to minus 1. So 9 minus 9, 9 times 3 will go and give 27 times minus 1. So here we will get 9 plus 27, which is equal to 36. So left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So it is equal to the right hand side. So the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it was all about this question. Don't forget these steps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more solutions and videos like this. Till the next video. Bye.